Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix your clock is behind error on your Android mobile. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, your clock is behind error on your Chrome in your Android mobile, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to tap on the settings. Just tap on the search button. Here you need to type time zone. You can see your time zone, just tap on this. In this you can see your date. If the date is not set properly, you need to enter the correct date and select the correct year. So today is 5 and year and month is July 2023. So I will select this date and click OK. After that you need to select correct time and click OK. Guys, if you are using internet in your Android mobile, you can enable this option, set time zone automatically. If you enable this option, you don't need to enter date manually. It will be set automatically. That's it guys. After doing these settings, hope your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.